Hello everyone, my name is Salar and you are watching SmartCode. So in this short tutorial series, you will be learning how to work with CSS FLoat property and how to create float based layout, right? By using float property, you can actually achieve two different results. First, you can move an image to the left or to the right of its parent element. Second result that you can achieve by using float is you can create column-based float layouts, right? So in this tutorial series, you will be learning both the cases, and here is the outline of the series. In this very first part, we will study float property and try to float an image to the right or left. In the second part, we will create two column float-based layout. In the third part, we will try to create three column float-based layout. And in the fourth part, you will learn how to create floats within floats and create some complex designs. And in the fifth and the last part, you will learn what are some common layout problems while working with the floats and how to fix them. Right, so are you ready? Let's get started. The float is a very useful and easy to use property, and it can take values like left, right, and none. Left and right simply means you want to float an element to the left or right of its container. None means element doesn't move, and we will use this value in the last part of the series. Let's now start doing some practical with float. I set up some HTML with an image and some text, and here you see the result in the browser. So what we are going to do now is float this image to the right. As you can see in HTML, our image tag is assigned a class. So in CSS file, I will target this class using class selector and call the property float and assign it value right. That's it. Now check the result in the browser. And there you see our image is positioned to the right. And you will notice one more thing here. The text automatically flows around the floated element. And this is default behavior of using float. Element that appears below the floated element moves up on the page and wraps around the floated element. And because of this behavior, you get wrap around effect, right? Now, if you want to position your image to the left, you just need to assign value left to the property. You can even float multiple images and develop some cool designs. As you can see on the screen, I position one image to the right and another to the left. So try it out by yourself. It won't be difficult for you now. So in the first part of the series, we started float property and learned how to float image to the left or right. And in the second part, you will learn how to create two column layout using float. So don't forget to check out the second part. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.